Upon hearing that Lara Trump would not be running for the North Carolina Senate seat, Democrats are celebrating what they see as a major setback for the RNC's financial situation. A prominent Republican and daughter-in-law of former President Donald Trump, Lara Trump was a formidable fundraiser for the Republican National Committee and a possible frontrunner for the Senate seat. Newsweek reported on Wednesday, March 13, 2024, that her decision to not run for Senate has made Democrats ecstatic and many Republicans stunned. Reactions within the Republican Party to Lara Trump's decision were varied. Others viewed the loss of a potentially strong candidate as a chance for new faces to emerge, while some were disappointed. Nevertheless, Republicans are primarily worried about how Lara Trump's absence will affect the RNC's finances. Lara Trump was an integral part of the Republican fundraising machine, helping to secure funds and endorsements for candidates across the country. Lara Trump's decision to withdraw from the Senate race is a major win for the Democratic Party. It destroys the Republican National Committee's financial foundation while simultaneously removing a potentially dangerous opponent from the race. Democrats are hoping to gain control of Congress and flip North Carolina's Senate seat now that Lara Trump isn't involved. The Democrats' joy is based on both the near-term effects on the next election and the longer-term consequences for the Republican Party. A rift has opened up within the Republican Party, and Lara Trump's choice has cast doubt on the party's trajectory moving forward. The party runs the danger of becoming even more disorganized and divided if there is no one person or group to rally behind as leader. Republicans are in disarray, and Democrats see this as a chance to gain ground. The departure of Lara Trump further highlights the difficulties encountered by the RNC following Trump's presidency. Trump may not have the clout to keep the Republican Party afloat financially, but he is still the party's undisputed leader. The Republican National Committee will have to seek out new funding opportunities to sustain its activities and candidates now that Lara Trump is not actively participating in fundraising efforts. Given the party's current state of internal strife and rival factions, this may turn out to be an extremely difficult undertaking. Democrats, on the other hand, are riding high on a crest of excitement and progress. The decision by Lara Trump and the early successes of the Biden administration have boosted party morale and given Democrats hope for the upcoming midterm elections. House and Senate majorities are up for grabs, and Democrats are eager to build on their recent victories to seize control of Congress. Still, Democrats aren't oblivious to the difficulties that lie ahead. Even though Lara Trump dropped out of the Senate race, Republicans remain a serious danger in crucial swing states. It would be a mistake for Democrats to get comfortable now that the GOP is so well established in so many states. To win elections, one must not waste time and energy gloating over the defeat of political rivals, but rather employ a calculated and targeted strategy to rally support and form alliances. Speculation and analysis within both parties have been sparked by Lara Trump's decision to not run for the North Carolina Senate. The Democrats see this as a huge chance to make their mark on American politics and advance their agenda. The difficulties Republicans will confront in the world after Trump are starkly illustrated by this. Preparation is key for both parties as the midterm elections approach and the struggle for congressional control heats up. In the meantime, Trump took to Truth Social to discuss his bond ruling, writing, "I built a magnificent business, which helped rebuild New York City and state, with amazing, unparalleled, historic properties and tons of cash, which crooked Joe Biden and his maniac persecutors are trying to wrongfully and illegally take from me." Any company, no matter how successful, would find it extremely difficult to comply with the unprecedentedly high bond requirements imposed by the Democrat club-controlled judge in the illegal witch hunt of corrupt Letitia James. Even if they were interested, the bonding companies would be unable to post a bond of this magnitude because they have never encountered one before. No one has ever used the statute against me for such a purpose before. An embarrassing case, with a jury ban, an insane $18 million Mar-a-Lago value, a judge who disregarded the appellate court's decision regarding the statute of limitations, ironclad disclaimer clauses, no victims, and no damages. They must be insane to set up shop in New York City when this sham is driving businesses and residents out and preventing new ones from joining.